Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ankeecodeverse. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's get started. So firstly, we understand ITMS. If you are seeing the ITMS-91053 missing API declaration error message, it means that your app code reference one and more APIs that require reasons, including specific API categories. This error message from Apple App Store review process indicate that your app is using certain APIs, application program interfaces that require you to declare reason for their use in your app's privacy manifest file. This is a new requirement that ensure transparency for users regarding data access. Why does Apple send letters to developers? Apple aims to enhance user data protection and requires developers to provide detailed information on how their apps use personal data. This introduction of the privacy info files required is means to ensure developers state which data their apps collect and for what purpose of this data are used. By May 1st, 2024, all apps must be updated and must be contain a privacy info files with correctly filled out privacy information. If you are unsure about the purpose of particular category used in the app, you can find specific method in the code. Micro Elliot talked this method in his articles. Please find out on his article in the description box. So how to address ITMS missing API declaration? To address the ITMS missing API declaration error message, you need to add a privacy manifest file to your app or third-party SDK in the Xcode. Here are the steps to following. Create a new file in Xcode and name it privacy info. This is a required file name for bundled privacy manifest. Add the privacy manifest file to your target resources for Xcode to use it when you generate a privacy report. In the privacy info file, add the required reasons, APIs, and description their uses. For example, if you are using the user default APIs, you can add the following code to the files. Generate a privacy report in Xcode by selecting Generate Privacy Report from the context menu in Xcode Organizer for an app archive. These features help ensure your apps meets App Store privacy requirements. You can access these documentations. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with upcoming video and don't forget to like, share, subscribe.